Spanning acres, this climate-controlled habitat utilizes advanced misting technology to replicate
The AI scanning corridors ensure continuous, non-invasive health monitoring of the specimens and environments.
Are sterile. This facility houses thousands of giant anacondas, fed entirely by a sophisticated automated system.
Every journey begins with regulated sourcing and verified origin.
Control starts the moment raw material enters the facility. Control starts the moment raw material enters the facility. Traceability ensures accountability at every step. Nothing moves forward without passing physical inspection. Temperature stability preserves quality from the start. Precision measurement defines downstream efficiency.
Checked and approved. Move to conveyor.
Only compliant material earns approval to proceed. Identification links every batch to its origin. Separation protects the integrity of the process. Inspection complete. Preparation now begins. Cleaning begins before processing ever starts.
Surface contaminants are removed with controlled flow.
Mechanical motion ensures uniform washing.
Clean water is controlled as tightly as raw material. Sanitization reduces risk without altering structure. Dry surfaces prepare material for safe handling. Human oversight reinforces automated control. Tools are treated with the same discipline. Safety protocols protect both product and people. Controlled movement prevents contamination transfer. Only sanitized material crosses this threshold. The air itself is part of quality control. Preparation gives way to transformation. One last safeguard before processing. The processing phase now takes control. Precision systems replace chance at scale. Vandling is guided, measured, and contained. Uniformity begins before cutting begins. Accuracy minimizes waste and variation. Each step resets cleanliness. Vision systems enforce standards instantly. Human judgment still matters. Consistency enables scalability. Every unit is measured in motion.
Correction happens without stopping flow.
Quality is tracked continuously.
Thermal balance preserves texture. Preparation repeats for precision. Controlled cuts define final form. Cleanliness is never assumed.
Drying prepares for separation.
Processes diverge with intent. One path moves toward food readiness. Another path prepares for material use. Verification locks in standards. Containment protects quality. Identity travels with every unit.
Temperature control pauses time.
One source, two outcomes.
Material handling shifts from food to fabrication.
Even surfaces allow accurate grading. Patterns determine material destiny.
Classification brings order to variability.
Measurement replaces assumption.
Early marking simplifies later refinement.
Preparation is precise and contained. Clean material accepts preservation evenly.
Chemistry supports longevity.
Timing defines material stability.
Balance prevents overtreatment.
Spacing ensures consistent preservation.
Stability prepares for transformation.
Preserved material now meets craftsmanship. Conditioning prepares fibers for change.
Enclosed systems ensure uniform penetration.
Measured chemistry defines durability.
Consistency is constantly verified.
Progress is checked without interruption.
Time completes the reaction.
Excess is removed, structure remains.
Balance protects flexibility.
Stability sets the foundation.
Flexibility is engineered, not assumed. Control prevents distortion.
Moisture defines feel.
Surface treatment enhances longevity.
Time allows absorption. Finish begins to emerge.
Uniformity is verified digitally.
Details define premium material.
Cooling locks in structure.
Human touch confirms readiness.
Identity evolves with process.
Drying prepares for final form.
Patience preserves quality.
Material reaches its final state.
Quality now takes center stage.
Every output must earn its approval.
Surface quality reflects process discipline.
Consistency is measured, not guessed. Precision defines grade.
Uniform color signals controlled chemistry.
Detail separate standard from premium.
And they gel sig det varandra. Reflect your product someone fine on the students.
Grading directs final destiny. Correction refines value.
Presentation begins with cleanliness.
Approval marks completion.
Food readiness is verified separately.
Cleanliness is confirmed one last time.
Finished goods prepare to move.
Structure supports logistics. Quality hands over to distribution.
Final handling prepares products for the world.
Protection preserves freshness beyond the factory. Material protection safeguards craftsmanship.
Information travels as far as the product. Compliance completes preparation.
Stability ensures safe transport.
Storage bridges production and delivery.
different products, precise environments.
Conditioned storage preserves value.
Visibility ensures accountability.
Distribution infrastructure comes alive.
Global journeys begin here.
Responsibility is formally handed over.
And this is how modern factories produce snake meat and snakeskin leather from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.